Dear students, in today's class we will discuss about the cost. So the first we have to see what is the meaning of cost. We can see here one picture, correct? The picture is table. To produce the table, we have to use certain resources, correct? So what expenses we are spending to produce this particular product, that is called as a cost. Say for example, what is required for producing a table? We require the wood, we require the tools, we require the labor, correct? So the total cost, what you are spending for making this product is called as a cost. Next one, the next concept is costing. So what is the meaning of costing and cost accounting? Now, costing is nothing but we are calculating the cost of the product. See for example, I spent 10,000 rupees for the material. I spent 5,000 rupees for the labor. I spent 5,000 rupees for the tools. Now, the total cost is 10 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20,000. Correct. So, the calculation process is called as a costing. Next, we will see the cost accounting. So, what is the meaning of cost accounting? The cost accounting is nothing but the systematic record of all the costs which we incur. Okay. So, whatever the cost you incur, you have to record in one place. Correct. In a systematic way. That process is called as a cost accounting. Next, we will see what are the objectives of cost accounting. The first one, ascertainment of cost. Why we have to do it? It is very important. If you want to fix the price for the product, the first thing you should know the cost, because cost plus profit is equal to selling price, right? No? So ascertainment of cost is very important. You have to calculate the cost. So that is the first objective of cost accounting. The second part, what is the second part? The second part says that control of cost. If you calculate the cost, we can find out, are we spending more or less? If you are spending more, what is the reason for it? That everything we can find out by the help of cost accounting. Okay, and also it helps to form the business policies. What type of policy we can make? See for example, purchase policy, pricing policy, other decision making. All those things we can do it when you prepare the cost accounting. Next one is the determination of selling price. I told you the format of calculating the selling price is cost plus profit is equal to sales. If the cost is missing, we cannot calculate the selling price. And measuring and improving the performance. So it is very important. See for example, we are completed with the work. Suppose if you incur more cost, then what we can make out? We can find out the reason why the cost is increased, correct? No? So after finding out the reason, you can find the solution too, right? So that is the objective of cost accounting. Next one, we'll see the difference between the cost accounting and financial accounting. First thing, as you know that financial accounting is for the external uses like investor, financial institutions, those who are lending the loan, creditors, they are the one who is using the financial accounting. Cost accounting is the people who are working inside the organization. Okay? Yes. Financial accounting, as per the statutory or as per the law, it is important that every organization who registered under the Companies Act has to be prepared the financial accounting. But cost accounting is not like that. It is an option for the company. It is a voluntary. If you want, you can prepare. If you don't want, you need not prepare. Okay. The next point comes to the profit and loss account. Under financial account, we can find out the profit as a whole. Like for the entire business organization, what is the total profit a particular concern is earned. That we can find out with the help of financial accounting. But cost accounting, we can find out the profit of individual item, individual product, process separately. Okay. The financial accounting, when we will prepare? We will prepare annually. Once in a year only we will prepare the financial accounting. But the cost accounting is not like that. It is a continuous process. Okay. Financial accounting we cannot do any control with the help of financial accounting, whatever document we prepare. But when it comes to the cost accounting, it helps us to control the cost, reduce the cost, and also to find out what is the reason for cost. Okay. And when it comes to the format, under financial accounting in entire India, we are following a single format which is prescribed by the Companies Act, as per the Companies Act. But cost accounting, it is not like that. As per your convenience, you can prepare the cost accounting. There is no any single format. A different company will use the different format. Okay. So these are the difference between financial accounting and cost accounting. Rest of the things we'll see in the next video. Thank you.